take that. You're too good for that stuff. That's exactly it. So you're looking down on me because of my lifestyle decision. I choose to smoke pot, this and that, and the way that you said it is that you look down on me.
I'm not discriminating on anything you do. You can choose how you live your life any way you want.
But
I'm
it's
just
the way
saying.
the way that you worded yourself. I'm sorry, dude. I didn't mean to like.
Dude, I'm not a dude, okay? Don't preference me as a dude, okay?
I call everybody dude. I was in court and I walked up and the judge was like, Gavin Carew, please come to the stand. I walk up and I'm like, hey,
I just gotta give him defense. He means this out of a term of endearment. This is him equating everybody. Do you guys know what that means? This is all about peace, love. We all love each other. This is about we're all in the same boat. Boat of life. And dude means like we're all one, man.
Do you not agree the way that she said that, the way that you said it?
It's all good, man. Peace.
I'm too good for that.
Like peace, guys. Do you guys agree with
I don't
peace?
even know why you're making such a big deal out of this. If I look down on you, why do you give a shit what I can do?
We're all about
I'm just trying to have a conversation. I don't want to like, I'm just trying to be like, hey, well, it's how you said it. They're saying that like this isn't how you read it. So I'm just trying to like talk. Dude, I got the same phone. Here we go.
Hey, shave Ted.
Same one.
No, I was talking to him actually.
He said, hey, shave
He's not a 2-foot tall mohawk.
I just wanted to address him. I don't want to say peace. It's all about peace,
It
man.
is all about peace, but I just want to.
These girls are like in grade 5, so whatever, who cares?
But you guys gotta remember peace, man. Like it's all about the love.
Don't ever forget about it.
Why the fuck should you care what I think?